Whenever we want to type any of the program in HTML, we will begin by the tag HTML. First of all, it is viewing very small, so little bigger size we can make using this format option, format font, and here we can change the settings of the font size from here and click on OK. Now it is visible. Now press enter. HTML head section. Under the head section we are having title. We can give any of the title like my school. As soon as we will give the title, this title will get displayed in the web page in the title bar when we'll execute this program. So after giving this title, we'll give /head so that will be the ending tag of our first section of our web page. Now we will be starting with the second section of the web page as body section. Under the body section we can give various formattings also, like suppose we want to give the background color, we can use bg color attribute. Suppose we have given the background color as green, so we can type here green, its attribute value, and after giving this value we will be going to the next line and we can just press enter. Can give the particular font for the text. Suppose our font size is 7, which is the maximum size of the text for HTML language. Then color of our text, suppose we have taken blue. Then after taking this text we are just giving color, font color and size COLOR, and face is the attribute to specify the particular style of writing. Suppose I'm giving here monotype cursive. The spelling should be same as it is there in the computer of the particular font, so you have to be very careful. Now after giving this font size in angular brackets in inverted commas, we are giving here the particular text, like suppose I'm typing here, this is my first web page. When I'm just typing this text is getting displayed here, and in these font settings only it will be displayed as it is given here in under the font tag. /font is to close the font tag, that is the closing tag of font. Then we are giving here body tag. After the body tag we are giving here /html. After completing this program, I'll be saving this program by a file and save as. The particular file name we are going to give here, suppose I have given here a1.html. We will specify the location also where we want to save our file. Suppose I have taken the location, this PC and desktop, and then click on save. As soon as it is saved in the computer, I will minimize it and will check. This is a file by the name A1 which is appearing over here. Double clicking on this file will give me the web page. Now we can select from here. If we want to display in Google Chrome, we can display in Google Chrome. Because it is saved in .html file extension, that's why it is displayed over here in various web browser formats, not in the form of the text file. Now we can see the web page in few moments on the screen with the background color as green and the text color as blue. We can maximize the screen and can see the web page getting displayed over here. So this way we can create any of the web page in Notepad and can see its output in Google Chrome. easily.